Hello children, we'll be taking standard 5 GK. We'll be taking chapter number 11, 12, 13 and 16. We'll be starting with chapter number 11. Top notch, okay? Underline the correct answers. The largest island, Greenland. The highest navigable lake, Lake Titicaca. The driest desert, Atacama Desert. The deepest ocean, Pacific Ocean. The highest plateau, the Tibetan Plateau. The longest mountain range, Andes. The highest waterfall, Angel Falls. The coldest continent, Antarctica. The largest delta, Sundarbans. The largest peninsula, Arabian Peninsula. The most populated country, China. The longest river, Nile. Here in this you will mark this as fill in the blanks. Sounds interesting. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake by surface area. Underline Caspian Sea. Then coming to chapter number 12, mind your language. Take the correct answer. Rahul Dravid has had a long experience in batting. He is a veteran cricketer. Geeta was watching an Alfred Hitchcock movie on television. She could not bear the suspense. Suspense. The police managed to nab the runaway who had escaped from prison. Alexander the Great invaded many lands in order to expand his empire. Ravi quickly adapted himself to the different environment in his new school. Rakesh Sharma's journey into space was a historical event for India. Then homophones. What are homophones? Homophones are words with the same pronunciation but different meaning or spelling. Now fill in the blanks with the correct homophones. The dash played with such terrible music that it was dash. In the first blank you will write BAND band. Second blank you will write BANNED. Number 2, he found a sack of maize, M-A-I-Z-E, in the M-A-Z-E, maize. When my baby brother lost his ball, B-A-L-L, he let out a loud bawl, B-A-W-L. Priya munched on the cereal, C-E-R-E-A-L, while watching her favorite serial, S-E-R-I-A-L. Coming to the next page, guess the words that either begins with, end with or contain the word arm. A fleet of sheep, armada, A-R-M-A-D-A. An article for clothing, garment, G-A-R-M-E-N-T. Warning of danger, alarm, A-L-A-R-M. A small wind instrument played by mouth, harmonica, H-A-R-M-O-N-I-C-A. A protective metal covering worn by soldiers, armor, A-R-M-O-U-R. A cluster of bees, swarm, S-W-A-R-M. Material used for making road surfaces, tarmac, T-A-R-M-A-C. A peace agreement, armistice, A-R-M-I-S-T-I-C-E. Anagram. An anagram is a word or phrase made by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase. The 10 words given below are anagrams of the name of 10 countries. Identify the country. The first one is Iran, I-R-A-N. Second is China, C-H-I-N-A. Third is Tonga, T-O-N-G-A. Fourth is Laos, L-A-O-S. Fifth is Israel, I-S-R-A-E-L. Sixth is Israel. Seventh is Nepal, Nepal. Eighth is Lima, Lima. Ninth is Spain, S-P-I-N. 10th is Peru, P-E-R-U. Coming to the next chapter, eating healthy. Now you will underline lack of nutrient can cause a number of dash deficiency diseases. Now fill in the blanks to complete the chart. First one, disease name, you will write anemia, A-N-A-E-M-I-A. Second blank, vitamin D, you will write rickets, R-I-C-K-E-T-S. Third one, you will write iodine, I-O-D-I-N-E. Next one, number 4th, you will write scurvy, S-C-U-R-V-Y. Then number 5, thiamine, T-H-I-A-M-I-N-E, in the bracket, vitamin B1. And the last one, you will write vitamin A, V-I-T-A-M-I-N, vitamin A. You will underline, sounds interesting. You can see from the video and underline. DAS is a form of malnutrition caused by lack of protein in the diet. Underline this. Then we'll be coming to chapter number 16. 14 and 15 is omitted. Come to 16, fun with words. Guess these words that are also part of automobile. First is bonnet, B-O-N-N-E-T. Second is horn. Third is clutch, C-L-U-T-C-H. Fourth one is boot, B-O-O-T. Fifth one is bumper, B-U-M-P-E-R. Sixth is gear. Then match the following. Wise men think alike. For number 1, fools seldom differ. Second one, look before you leap, strike when the iron is hot. Birds of feather flock together. You will write opposite attracts. Then fourth one, too many cooks spoil the broth. That you will match with many hands make the work light. Make light work. The pen is mightier than the sword. Action speaks louder than words. The rest of the exercise will be giving you in the next class. Thank you.